So that is a macadamia nut.
My first day ever in Hawaii. Gonna show you what I did for day 1. Stay tuned for day 2.
Oh, you know what? I think this would probably be a good intro. I'd be like, this is a macadamia nut.
Now let the sweet and creamy come to you.
That's amazing.
That's why I come Hawaii.
Oh, so those are from Costco?
Yeah.
Damn.
We call it wave storms. They're like $100 and they do the trick.
This is how to strap a surfboard with Benny. What are we doing?
Alright, so you grab the strap, this end on the left, on the bottom, this is what you want to have on the bottom. You fucking swing it around, put it over the fin there.
Oh, I see.
Okay. And then you loop it, and that's it.
That's it.
Put it through the hole.
Oh, that was easy.
And if you can... Oh, really? That's so much softer than I anticipated. How did they do it?
I don't know. They're bomb.
Turtle chips just appropriate for Hawaii.
Oh, turtle chips.
Made out of fresh turtles.
There you go.
You ever have this?
Never had that. No, what's
Where
that?
are you?
What is that?
It's a oneie. See, you not even do homework.
Lihing.
That's bad, man.
I'll buy that. Let's do it.
It's a one of the three things you gotta have in Hawaii.
Is that like chamoy?
Oh, not just chamoy. You're gonna do it now. Chamoy, you're gonna do it now.
All
It's
right.
$6. If I love it, it's gonna be $12 because you're not gonna share with me.
You're a great salesman.
Can we try it first?
Don't try. Hawaii we call first kiss. You ever try on the first kiss? I want some too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, $10 You take a shoe on camera. Hold by, don't think. Now let the sweet and creamy come to you.
That's amazing.
That's why I come Hawaii.
That's amazing.
Is that yours or that's not yours?
That's mine. That's mine.
Okay,
Thank
make sure
you.
What is this called?
Lihimui.
Ihimoy.
It's a bomb.
It is the bomb.
Yep. You didn't smell?
Oh, I didn't smell it.
Hold by.
Smells like trouble. Yeah.
I know, always trouble. That's why here.
So it's like a first kiss.
I mean,
These are kind of cool.
Is that an avocado?
It's an avocado, yeah. I don't know what kind it is,
Dude, there's
though.
no way this is an avocado, right?
That looks like a really sensual avocado. Here, turn it sideways like
Dude,
this.
this is hard
For
as
the
a
cam.
rock.
That'll make me hard as a...
Only guys in the swap meet with honey.
What's your name? Dallas?
I'm Dallas.
All right, Dallas. If you guys want awesome honey from Hawaii, there you go. That's the premium stuff. Sweet. I'll see y'all around. So he hand etches all of these cool designs. Just look at the attention to detail. It's so cool. Are you gonna do some tricks?
And then if you're gonna store it for a long time, don't store it in the sheath.
Any super big
How long does it take you to do something like this?
Couple hours.
Couple hours?
Yeah, but if you like it, you know, if you like what you do, then it's, you know what I mean?
That's awesome. Thank you, sir. What's your name?
My name is Shin. Shin Ing.
Shin Ing. Shin Ing?
How was it?
They
got lollipops too.
lollipops. The chicken's actually getting captured right over there in that yard. That's why they are so fresh.
Really smart. On a fucking trailer, like. I used to make rotisserie chicken every fucking day. Yeah. How's it going? Just gonna do a whole bird, 2 halves, I guess.
Got that chop.
Please, yeah. What else is the move here? What's
Everybody likes the coleslaw, the sauce.
dope? We'll do that. Yeah. All right, we got the crispy huli huli chicken. It looks like they gave us the sauce and then the pineapple coleslaw.
Dude, this smells so good. It
does
smells
smell
like
bomb.
a 11 out of 10
Going to
on a
crush that.
smell
Also, the
scale.
cans here are shaped differently. That's pretty cool.
Gulping it down.
This dude's feeding the chickens right now.
It's a circle of life.
All right, dude. I hope this shaved ice is worth it, man, because look at this line. Long line for this. Do a small ume with red bean, please.
We opened our shake right
Dude, that's so sick.
This next one's mine, but I only got 2 flavors.
All right, first time Matsumoto shaved ice. Famous shaved ice.
This is my new favorite raspa flavor. I call them raspas. Fuck, dude.
Wait, what flavor did you get?
I got ume with red bean on the bottom. Bro, that is so fucking bomb.
Hey, I feel
Holy
like
shit.
I was not really in focus when I tried to show the red bean.
What do you got?
I went classic.
Classic?
Peach and cherry, and on the bottom is a little bit of crack.
Little crack, alright.
Yeah.
How is it? Let's see.
That's fucking
Yeah?
good, dude. It tastes like, what are they called? Otter Pops?
Like an Otter Pop?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay. That's it?
That's it. That's the nut. The queen of nuts, the macadamia. Then the Brazil nut is probably the king of nuts. And then we have the cashew, it's like the prince.
The cashew's the prince, but the cashew's really expensive. Doesn't it take like the
Cashew's
most
the
water to
most-
grow a cashew?
Just nuts. I would say I heard you say that it was in a movie. They
call Brazil nuts
the rundown.
Oh,
With
yeah,
the
with
rock.
the rock.
He's like the lady,
That was
the
like when he first
bartender,
started acting.
bartender chick, whatever. Said, well, these are nuts and whatever. And he's like, well, you know what they call those nuts here in Brazil? Just nuts.
Just nuts?
I just happen to think of that.
That's the best dad joke ever. Alright, so how's this work, dude? You just like choose a nut and...
Go in there.
Oh, it's like a sample.
Oh yeah, I now remember.
That's really good. Bro, look at the new shirt though. Look at this.
Oh shit. Ooh, what is that? Matsumoto?
Oh, you tried the cinnamon one.
Cinnamon macadamia nut. So,
You gotta try the coconut one.
which one's better? Oh,
Oh,
that's
thanks, man.
easy. Thank you.
I wonder if they sell straight up raw.
Yeah, salted. Oh, there.
Sweet and all. That's what I'm saying.